Hello guys, welcome. My name is Pedro.
My name is Anton, and we're from 3Devo.
That's right, we are the product specialists here, and today we're going to be talking about our desktop filament makers, right Anton?
You got it right. So we have a composer unit and a precision unit for you here. What the difference may you ask? Is the extrusion screw. This one has a mixing head, whereas this one has a precision screw. This one allows the user to experiment with different types of additives, from colors all the way up to like metal powders, ceramics, fibers. It's all up to the user. And here we want our users to use more like pre-compounded or pre-impregnated materials, because this one achieves better output flow and easier tolerances.
That's right, yeah.
So can you tell me actually how the machine works?
Sure, so basically I'm gonna tell you a bit like how the machine works. So you put the material inside a hopper, it goes through the barrel, it gets melted in there because it goes through different 4 heaters. It comes out through the nozzle, it gets cooled up by the cooling system, which is composed by 2 fans. It's measured up by the optical sensor that, together with the puller wheel, guide the filament through the positioner to the spool where it's pulled up. And basically that's how you get your spool, right Anton?
That's right.
They might be asking why we have this computer here. Do you know?
Yeah, of course. Well, naturally you would control the machine through the user interface. You can punch in all the settings, but what can you do with all the data that you can get out of the machine? You connect it to a computer, you use our DevoVision software, and you can oversee on a time graph exactly how your settings are affecting the extrusion. So you can use some logic and common sense and see what works best, and you can arrive at the desired result way easier.
That's right. One thing that is important to mention is that everything can be done and can be set through the display. So we try to make it as user-friendly as possible, so basically you can adjust every single parameter, every single different setting of the machine individually, right, separately. And one more thing that is important to talk about is the purging, right? Because once you're done, you still gotta keep the machine clean, right Anton?
Yeah, because the majority of the materials, once they cool down in the barrel, they can either solidify or some other nasty effects might happen. So we have 3 cleaning compounds, and you use them depending on the type of material you use beforehand, and you make sure that all of the foreign material is out, and then you can turn off your machine, and that maintains the health of your unit.
That's right, and then you're actually ready to go for the next extrusion, right, with no major issues. So guys, in a nutshell, that's what our filament makers are capable of. My name is Pedro.
My name is Anton, and 3Devo signing off.
Bye bye, thank you.